Hey everyone, welcome back to Rimmel's YouTube channel. My name is Megs, and today we're doing this holiday look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. For my eyes today, I'm going to use the Magnifies Jewel Rocks Edition palette. I'm really liking the shimmery pink right here, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Now I'm going to pack on more to the lid just to intensify the color. Now going back into the same palette, I'm going to use this lighter pink underneath my brow. To blend everything together, I'm just going to use a fluffy eyeshadow brush. For my inner tear duct, I'm going to use Wonder Swipe 2-in-1 liner to shadow, and this color is called Slay because we're about to what? Slay. Now it's time to wing my eyeliner. I'm going to use the Scandal Eyes Micro Eyeliner. To tightline my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Scandal Eyes Waterproof Gel Pencil. Now I'm going to go back into the palette to the shimmery pink, and I'm going to put this onto my lower lash line. So I'm going to apply the pink in tapping motions right underneath the eyeliner. Now I'm going to blend out the lower lash line just a little bit. To finish my eyes, I'm going to use the Wonderluxe Volume Mascara. I really like this mascara because I have baby lashes and I need all the volume I can get. So I'm actually seeing my lashes transform like right in front of my eyes. Now for my favorite part, blush. I'm going to use Maxi Blush in the color Rendezvous. Just give me a little flush of blush. And I really like that this blush is buildable. You can go nice and light, but it's still very vibrant. For my lips, I'm gonna use the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this color is called Heartbeat. Ooh. This is super pretty. And try some color. Now you could totally leave the lip matte like this, but I'm just gonna add a little extra fun to it. I'm gonna apply Stay Glossy Lip Gloss, and this color is called Seduce Me. Put a little bit in the center just to add a little shine. And this is super moisturizing too. Okay, you guys, so that completes this holiday look. I hope you guys enjoyed. All of the products that I use are listed down in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Rimmel's YouTube channel and follow me at YouLoveMegs on all social platforms. And happy holidays, you guys.